Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how you can minify your HTML and install the Grunt Contrive minification plugin into your Grunt file, Grunt project. In this way we can also create the folder here, which contain the images, uh, and I'm gonna add the actually I have added the image here, which is Trendy Tech Pro. It's my website, so you can also visit my website. So here we can also install the image minification plugin. So I'm gonna start the code here, image min, and then dynamic and files, and then expand should be true, and then CWD should be actually CWD is a target which we need to um, target those images. So src and then images, all the images folder is targeted, and once we add a single image, it will automatically watch this, and regenerate our complete HTML folder into the dev folder with the minify version. So you don't need to go to Adobe Photoshop and compress the images. You have the facility to uh, uh, just compile the the JPEG files, PNG files, and GIF files also. And the Photoshop version is not compressing the PNG, so you go to tiny PNG and compress those files. You don't need to go there, because all the facility that may contain the ImageMin plugin in your project folder. So you can also um, score your 100% in your Google page speed, so your website will be very fast, and all the things are minified, and um, so that is the benefit of Grunt. So that's why we use the Grunt. Let me target the PNG, sorry, within the braces, PNG, and then JPG, and then GIF files. So these once they find the PNG, JPEG, and GIF file in the image folder, it will automatically reproduce those images with the minify version in your dev folder. So I'm gonna target this image into our another directory, so dev and images. So that's how you can create your add your plugin into your project. So I forgot the first semicolon here. I'm gonna install the image minification plugin in my directory. So before we run the command, we need to load the image minification plugin here, Grunt low task should be grunt contrive image min. So we can also add this file because our watch thing is we don't need to uh, watch our um, we don't need to regenerate our images on our every save. That's why I'm not adding this into our watch plugin. So if we can add the image into the images folder, it will regenerate, then it will regenerate. um, if I can add this imagemin plugin in the watch tasks, so it will reminify our each image in every single change. So that's why I'm adding this in my uh, default. So image min. So here we got the set up all things, and now I'm gonna run the command npm install grunt, and then you need to ask the grunt contrive and image min need to save dev. So once we install all those plugins, we need to run the imagemin plugin, which can generate this image into the dev folder. So once it will be installed, I will continue my video again. So here we have installed our imagemin plugin, and this is successfully passed, and blah blah blah. So now I'm gonna run the grunt image min plugin. So that's he will find the one image which is app and icon.png, and go to the dev and recreate a image directory which contain the minify version of the png. Let me show you the difference between this image and this image, how it will minify, and what is the property, and what is 6.1% minified save 2.67 kbs. So let me show you the src image properties and the images production images properties. So here it is our src properties, which contain the 42.8 kbs here. And now I'm gonna go to our uh, dev version, here images, and now I'm gonna go to properties panel, and it will this is our src version images for image size, which is 42.8 kbs, and the our production version should have the 40.2 kbs. So it is minifying our 2.67 kbs on this save. So this is how the plugin works. If you can add the uh, images with the png extension, jpeg extension, and gif extension, it will automatically regenerate these images into your dev production version with the minify. So that is how the plugin works. So hope you guys enjoy my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. and click the bell icon for getting my notification in each upload. So see you guys in my next video.